So you've got your bird. It is frozen solid. Where do you start? No worries, we're going to walk you through what to do start to finish, so you can make sure you prepare your turkey safely. Let's start with the frozen turkey. The safest way to defrost the turkey is to put in the refrigerator, so you know that it has always been kept in a recommended temperature range, 40 degrees Fahrenheit or below. This helps avoid rapid growth of germs. When thawing, juice from the turkey might leak out of the package. To avoid contamination of the other items in your refrigerator, place your turkey in a deep pan to catch any liquid that escapes. Place the deep pan on the lowest shelf in the refrigerator to avoid any possible juices from dripping onto other foods. I keep a thermometer in my refrigerator and monitor the temperature. Make sure that it cools at 40 degrees Fahrenheit or below, so that it is out of the food danger zone. The danger zone is the temperature range 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, where germs grow rapidly. A good rule of thumb is to allow your turkey to thaw in the refrigerator for 24 hours of thawing for every 4 to 5 pounds. My turkey here is 16 pounds, so I've been defrosting it for 4 days. Perhaps the best piece of advice preparing food safely is to wash your hands. Before you start preparing your turkey, wash your hands with soap and warm water for at least 20 seconds to remove germs. Then, dry your hands with paper towel to avoid cross-contamination. You might be tempted to wash your turkey because it feels a little slimy, but don't do it. If you wash your turkey, the water will splash the germs all over your sink and counter. Dry the turkey by gently patting the surface with a paper towel. Now it's time to cook the turkey. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's add the seasonings. You will need a turkey, salt, pepper, and butter. Brush the outside of the turkey with melted butter. Season both the inside and the outside of the turkey with salt and pepper. I do not stuff the turkey. I often cook stuffing separately. Stuffing a turkey becomes a food safety issue when the turkey is done at 165 Fahrenheit. Often the stuffing inside has not yet reached the recommended temperature. All that's left to do is to tent the turkey with aluminum foil. This allows for maximum heat circulation, keeps the turkey moist, and reduces oven splatter. We always wash our hands after touching raw turkey. For an 8 to 12 pound turkey, roast it for 2 3/4 to 3 hours. Refer to USDA's timetable for turkey roasting. My turkey here weighs 16 pounds, so I will set my timer for 4 hours. Remove the foil and brush the turkey with more melted butter to allow the turkey to develop the pretty golden color. Now put it back in the oven uncovered, and this time set the temperature to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the turkey until the thickest part of the meat reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. You may be tempted to leave your thermometer in the turkey and in the oven. However, it depends on the thermometer. Some will melt in high heat, and some are made for the in-oven use. Refer to manufacturer guide. Now that your big meal is over, you are bound to have leftovers. It's important to cut the bigger pieces of turkey into smaller pieces and store in shallow containers, allowing food to cool rapidly for safe storage. Put your leftovers in the refrigerator within 2 hours. Discard any food left out at room temperature longer than 2 hours. Remember the danger zone? Leftovers can stay in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. When you are ready to eat them, heat them to at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit to kill germs. And that's how you prepare a turkey safely from start to finish. You can find more information at our website. I hope you will have a happy holiday season.